Alright, so the current lock I have here is a red eye challenge lock. I'm not sure if you can read that. That's a red and that's an eyeball. So red eye challenge lock. It's a Dorma 6-pin with Schlage C keyway. Works good. And very tricky lock. Alright. So I'm going to use top of the keyway tension and Peterson number 7 hook. And I did open it and gut it off camera, well, on camera, but I did a lousy job gutting it because I didn't use a shim, and because of the types of pins in here, it ended badly. But this time I'm going to try to avoid that. Okay. So it's pretty easy to get a full set out. But then you got to be careful not to overset any pins. So a lot of them are serrated. Alright, I'm going to release some tension. I believe something was overset. Yeah, pin 6 is all serrated. So I get a lot of clicks out of him. Okay. Okay. Yeah, just watch the core turn from number 6. As I try to get him set, then release tension. I drop into a deeper falset. So that's a tricky one to get him just right. I'm going to reset. Try again. Alright, so I think I'm making pretty good progress now. Really deep false set. Alright, so now it's not open yet. Now he's open. Alright, very difficult lock to get everything set right. And it's hard to tell because of the type of pins if they're set or not. Okay, so this time I'm gonna do this right. And use a shim. Okay. Here's what the bedding looks like. And here on the side is another red eye. That's cool. Alright. This shim's seen better days. Alright, let's see if I can get this to work. Alright, that might be good enough. Alright, that's definitely good. Okay, so that went well. Dump out these key pins. Okay. So that's that. Alright. So pin 1 is a standard. 2 is a short little standard because of the long key pin. Alright, here's 3, which is almost like a T-pin. And 4 came flying out, I believe that was in there like that. And oh, I just squeezed one of the springs. That's okay. Alright, 5 is a pin and pin. And 6 looks like that. I'm gonna have to replace that spring. Again, I replaced them already because I broke 2 of them when I was gunning it last time. But this is what we're looking at here. A lot of homemade pins. And pin 5 is like a little nail inside of a hollow pin. I'm pretty sure that's a nail. Okay. And what else? Here's a nice little modified pin. And then, so those are the pins. And then as far as the chamber goes, or the plug, so it's pretty obvious that 3, 5, and 6 are threaded, and you can't really tell in here, but in the Bible, 3, 5, and 6 are also threaded. You could kind of see right there. Alright, Red Eye, it's a good lock you made. I look forward to more. This was traded to me from Zombie Lock. Alright, so thanks for the trade, and happy picking, everybody.